We have some free seeds. Yes, this is it, guys. Oh, ah, look at this. Freeze it. Yes, yes, we have green here, green color, and we have this purple. Which color do you prefer, Tinashe? And we have the red one. I used to like this one, orange. This is it, Mr. Freeze it. So which one do you prefer? These ones fell down, Tinashe. Straight from the fridge. These ones, oh, this one. Mira, just. Ah. Oh, which one do you like?
Purple.
The purple one. And I have the green one here. So, let's do the work. I have to hold this pipe for Tinashe so that this pipe won't destroy the tomatoes. Anyway, they're about to give us some tomatoes. You know, I'm telling you, this one that we bought from Spinard, they're about to give us some fruits. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa and Mukunda of Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. Today guys, I'm very excited. I'm at my homestead, and why am I excited? I'm excited because the potatoes that we put on the ground on the 29th of September are germinating, and they are germinating very well, and I'm so glad. I just want to show you guys those potatoes. We have potatoes here. We have okra that we have planted. We have green mealies. We have tomatoes. And I'm going to show you guys those crops so that you can see what is happening at our homestead. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be part of She Africa YouTube channel family. And I want to thank my subscribers and those people who watch my videos every day. You watch, you comment, you like the video. Esh, guys, you are doing a great job, and I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful. I thank you guys. I don't take that for granted. I take it as something that is special. It's very special to me to see you guys commenting, to see you guys watching my videos. Let me get the camera so that we can move, and I will show you what is happening in this garden at my homestead. Thank you. Let's drink, the freeze it. That's what we do during summer in Zimbabwe. It's during summer in Zimbabwe, and we drink the freeze it. Yes, we used to buy these when we were going to school during summer. As you can see, guys, these are the potatoes. Yes. Yes. This is the piece of land that we have managed to put some potatoes for the meantime. Weeds are also germinating. Potatoes are germinating. This is it. That's it. Yeah. So guys, this is it. We left with another piece of land that side. There. We have to plant some potatoes there, and we have bought those potatoes. We only bought 2 pockets of potatoes, and I'm very sure, and I hope those potatoes will be enough for us to put on that land. Let me go there and show you the small piece of land there. I like the weather today. It's not that very hot, but it's just cool. As you can see, let me show you here, guys. Here, yes, some potatoes are still on the ground, but they are germinating very well. Yes. Starting from this line behind these pipes that we use to water the garden, this is where we are supposed to start planting our the potato seed that we have bought. Let's move here. First, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this one is half. This is the last line. We are supposed to plant some potatoes. There is a peach tree here. Let me show you the peach tree here, guys. Yes, that's the peach tree with some peaches. Yes, this is it. Some peaches here. Yes, guys. Before showing you okra, let me see if we still have some bees here. Do we have some bees here? Do we still have some bees? Do we? I hope so. Yes. There are some bees here, but why is it quiet here? Oh, yes, the bees are still there. Let me show you guys. Yes, there, that's the pink beehive with some bees. Let me try. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Yes, that's it. That's it. Am I able to move a bit? Ah. Yes. No. Yes. This is it, the pink beehive. Yes. Bees are still there. Do you see that? They are coming in and out, in and out, in and out. Yes. Let's go. Let me move slowly and go back. Let me show you Tinashe's strawberry farm. Tinashe's strawberry farm. Ah. What is this? Do you see this, guys? There's nothing here. Yeah, this one. Nothing here. There's nothing. So let's move, guys, and I'm gonna show you. And there's more. So, guys, let's go. I'm gonna show you some green mealies. Also, I'm gonna show you okra. I'm so impressed with these potatoes. Let me show you green mealies. Yes. No, Blakey, don't do that to me. I don't like it. This is a pumpkin leaf plant, as you can see. Beans, and this one here is what do we call this? It's a nyemba. Cowpeas, yes. This is cowpeas. So that's what we do. Very soon we are going to eat some pumpkin leaves here at our place. We really love to eat pumpkin leaves. Yes, some beans, some pumpkin leaves, and green lilies. Let's talk about the okra. Do you see, guys? We have some lines of okra here. But tinashe wewe apa paka aina kuwanzwa here derere. The okra is too much. We are going we are going to do the thinning process of okra, sure. We are going to do the thinning process of okra because I think the okra is too much in one line. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Yes, okra. This is it.